In this video lesson, I will show you what is a lot size calculator for the GBPUSD. Here you will see a lot size calculator, and the link to that calculator will be inside the description below the video. You will have also the article that explains also what is a lot size for the GBPUSD and also how it is calculated. So you will see also an example how to calculate the lot size for the GBPUSD for the certain percentage of the risk. Now let me show you what are the fields necessary for this GBPUSD calculator. First field is the instrument, and it is GBPUSD, but you can change that to any other if you would like. Then you have deposit currency, and that is the currency that you have on the trading platform. Here on the right side I have an open trading platform with a demo account where the USD is the deposit currency. Then here it is a stop loss in the number of pips, where you can enter any number of the pips that you would like to calculate the lot size. Then you have here the account balance. You need to put here what is the current balance of your trading account, or if you would like to calculate some specific account balance, you can put also any number here. I have put 10,000 as a start. Then you have here a GBPUSD 1 pip size, and that is the value on which decimal point is the 1 pip. So here we have a fourth decimal point where that says that in the GBPUSD price, which is currently, for example, 1.25720, it has 5 decimal point, but on the fourth decimal point is the 1 pip change. On the fifth one is the pipette. So we can leave this as it is. And then you have here a risk where you can enter any number, but you can also change would you like to have it in percentage or in the deposit currency. I will put in the percentage because I would like to calculate 1% of my account balance as a risk. And then you have here a contract size units per lot. You can see this one here. It is notification, where you can click specification inside the trading platform to check what is the contract size. But the Forex market and also Forex symbols, where the GBPUSD is the Forex symbol, it always one lot size is equal to 100,000 units. When you click calculate, you get the number of lots, which is also units trade size, and also how much money you would risk. And that means for the 1% on the one account balance, which is 10,000, so 1% is $100, you have a stop loss equal to 1 pip. So if you put a stop loss equal to 1 pip, you would lose $100. And then if you would like, for example, put 100 pips as a stop loss, click calculate, you would get information that you need to open a trade with a lot size 0.1, which is equal to 10,000 units or $100. So let's take an example on the trading platform, and for example, let's try to open in the future for example, this trade GBPUSD, where my stop loss would be equal to 100 pips. It says open lots 0.1. So I put here a 0.1. I will open a pending order, which means in the future, and for example, I would like to open buy limit at 250 with the stop loss, which is equal to 100 pips, and that means 200 pips is 25 plus 100 pips is 26. Okay, 26. And let's take profit, put to also 100 pips. It is 1.24. Click place. Sorry, I have made mistake. Take profit should be 26 and the stop loss should be 24 because I am buying. Click place, and here it is. So let's take a look here. GBPUSD. Okay, now let's take a look here. We have a stop loss here set to 100 pips, which is equal to $100. And also the take profit is set to 100 pips, which is equal to $100. So you can see you can use this lot size calculator to give you the number of lots, how much you should put when opening an order to get to the specific risk per trade, and that means the stop loss. And then if you have a stop loss in the number of pips, he will tell you how much, for example, let's put 250, how much lots you should open to be on the safe side, to be inside 1% of the risk. So this is a great tool to give you information how much of the lot or the volume or the position size should be to open the order. If you have any questions regarding this lot size calculator, please leave a comment and I'll try to answer your questions as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!